Okay, in today's video, I'll be showing you one of the top sophisticated booking engine that you can use for flights. Can use this for flight, hotel, tours, and car booking all at once. Okay, it has these four features all at once. So people can book for flights, they can book for hotels, they can book for tours, and they can rent cars at the same place. Okay, so this is a sophisticated script. It has everything that you need. Okay, and it has supported suppliers. These are the suppliers for flights. It has Kiwi, and these are made use for flights too. This TBO, these travel ports. This is Dufels. Then this is hotel bed for hotel booking. This is Aguda. This is Verto, and lots more. So it also has paper payment gateway. It has Stripe payment gateway. It has Amazon, B2B Pay, as well as custom payment gateway. Okay, so it also has API layer for currency converter. Okay, so with this script, you can have flight booking, hotel booking, you can have tours and car booking all at once in one place. So this is everything that you need to build a sophisticated booking platform. It's a complete booking engine. So it has instant configurations. It has 20 integrated suppliers, API suppliers. It also has multi-language, 10 translated languages. Okay. So now I'll be going over to the demo of this script. Okay. This is the demo. You can see it has the option for hotels. People can book for hotels, and people can book for flights. People can book for a tour. So it's complete. In case you want to run a sophisticated platform like this, people can rent cars, so they have everything that it needs. Okay, so it also has the option for visa. You understand? So this is so robust. It's so robust. Okay, so and I'll be showing you how to get this script, as well as how to install and customize it to your own taste. So if you check the description of this video, you are going to find a link. The first link will be a link to get a domain and the hosting, because you will need a reliable domain and hosting to be able to set up this script. Then the second link will be the link to get this script. Okay, so if you want to have something sophisticated like this, you want to have a setup like this, click the second link, then you'll be able to get this script. So if you have any question, the third link is my WhatsApp number. You can always send me a message, ask your questions, and I'll be glad to answer. So this is the front end. These are featured flights, so people can virtually, practically book for flights here. So there are different options. You can see there are different options for this. So it has APIs for you to import hotels, for you to import flights. So you just have to seamlessly integrate these things to run a complete platform. Now these are the tour bookings. This for Dubai, and people can actually book for, you can book here and make payments. So this is it. Now I'll be going over to the admin backend. Okay, this is the admin dashboard. This is the complete thread where you get reports. Now this is the alerts. If there is any notification, this is where you get them. Now this is the general settings. This is the payment gateway. This is the currency. You can add different currencies. You can define the currency that you want. Okay, for this different currencies. So there are also countries. You can add new country. For the currencies, you can also add new currency. You can just click add. Then for the languages too, you can add new languages. Then for the locations, you can add as many locations as you would want to add. So that is it for settings. Then these are the modules. It has this is for flight. So you just enable this. If you want to use DoFel flight, you integrate it, just put in your API, the credential for DoFel. Then you can import flights. Okay, so these are the payment model. So you can either act as an affiliate for DoFels. So run this on your platform, and once anybody books here, you automatically get your affiliate commission. Okay, so this is it. Now these are other modules here. This is for hotels too. It's for hotels, so you can add as many modules as you want to. Okay, this is hotel bed. You can enable, you can disable. So you just put in the right credentials for hotel beds, the API credentials. Put in here, then you'll be able to import these hotels to your platform. Okay, now this is where you put in your pages, the about us, the career page, the frequently asked questions, supplier, and blah blah blah. So that is it. So without wasting much of your time, we'll be going on to how to install this script and set it up, something like this robust website. Okay, so now if you have gotten your domain and your hosting, now, and you've also gotten this script, this next thing for you to do is log into your cPanel. So this is your cPanel. This is how your cPanel should look like. So once you've logged into your cPanel, the first thing for you to do is to create a database. Okay, so you scroll down to databases. This is the option of databases here. So you scroll down, then you click on this MySQL database wizard. So once you click on this, let's do it right away. I'm going to create a name for this. You can give it any name that you feel. So I'm going to give it app. Then next, I'm going to give it app again. Then here, this is where you put in your password. So remember that you can just put in a password that you'll be able to remember. Also, you can use the same name for the username. Okay, so I'm going to use the same app. Then I'm going to put in a password here. So I'm going to repeat the password, then create user. So once you click on create, you'll be given this option to enable these privileges. So you need to give access to database access to this user. So you click on check these all privileges to automatically select all these. Then you click on next step. So that is it. We've created our database, and now the next thing for us to do is to go back to cPanel. But before that, I'm going to copy this. This is the database name and database user. I'm going to copy it before going back to cPanel. So now, once you go back to cPanel, the next thing for us to do is to go under files. Then click on file manager. So once you click on file manager, you can decide where you want the domain. Is it a subdomain? Is it a direct domain? So I'll be installing this in a subdomain. Okay, so once you've installed this, you've opened there, you have to click on upload. You click on upload, then you select the file where it is. Okay, you select it and then you upload. Once it is done uploading, it's going to show a green option. So the progress bar is going to be green. So once you are done uploading it, then you can click go back. Then you now click on that the script, you right click, then you extract. I've already extracted it, so that is why the option the option is not here. So once you've extracted this script, this is what you're going to get: the admin folder, the API app asset. So once you are done extracting it, you now head over to your domain. Then you head over to your domain and open it. Automatically the auto installation wizard is going to come up. Okay, so that is it. Auto installation wizard is going to come up. So make sure that your PHP version is above 8.0. Then all this, if your PHP version is above 8.0, then all these automatically should be enabled. They should be enabled. So you click on go to files, folder permission. So everything is okay. And click on setup database. Now automatically this is how it's going to be. Now in the database name, you click on, I've already copied my database name. Okay, so then the username, I'm going to paste it. Then the password, I'll put in my database password. So I put in my password. Now once you're done with that, you click on check database. If you've put in the correct database credentials, it's going to be successful. Then let's reload this. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, username, password. Okay, sorry, I think there must be a mistake. Okay, so I didn't put in the correct database credentials. So once you put in your correct database credentials, you'll be taken to this page. Now this is where you put in your your business name. I'm going to name this online booking. And then you put in your email address. Put in your email address. Then your login password. I'm going to use password. So you can use any password that you feel like. Then you click on install. Please note that this is what I did. The business name, I didn't touch this. Automatically you should fetch this. Then you shouldn't touch here. Then you can change this first name and last name. You can decide to put in any other name that you want to. Then for the email address, this will be your admin login email, and this will be your login password. So once you are comfortable with this, you click on install. So you give it some time, and as you can see, the installation is successful. Now this will be the front end. This will be our front end. You see, so this is it. This is the front end of it. Now this will go back. This will take us to the admin login page. As you can see, this is your login email, and this is your login password, which we created on the previous page. So click here. Then I'll put in this login credentials. Okay, password. Okay, let's log in. Okay, we've been logged in. So this is the admin dashboard. Now this is where you start customizing your script. Now the first thing for you to do is to click on settings, click on general. Then you can decide the name you want to give to it, your business name. If you want the website to be online, if you are still customizing, you wouldn't want it to be live, you can click on website offline, yes, and then you save. It should be offline. Then anybody that visits it, this is what is going to display. Our website is currently offline. Okay, so if you want to change the default color, you can choose any color you want here. So it's up to you. Now this is where you change the business logo. This is where you change the favicon. So you can change all this. Once you upload a new logo, you can just once you are done, you click on update to save it. So that is it. Then this is the meta title. I think your business name goes here, and this is your business name. Okay, now this is the home page cover. Let's go to the home page. This cover here, this is it. You can change it. So once you change it, you click on update settings. So this is the account. Guest booking. Do you want to allow guest booking? You decide yes or no. User registration, yes or no. Supplier registration, yes or no. Agent registration. So language option, multiple languages. You want to use multiple languages. Multiple currencies. Okay. So here you put in your social media handles. So make sure that once you are done customizing to any, putting in your own details, you save to update. Okay, so here you can put in your contact email, phone, your contact phone, then your Google Map address, then your address, then you set this up. That's it. Now this second is the user roles. These are different roles, so you can edit the roles. So you can decide what an agent can do, the access they can have. So by default, an agent has access to pages. Okay, so you can decide to select this. So make sure that this place should be handled with care. So do not give access to people that you wouldn't want them to have deep access to your platform. Now these are the payment gateways. It has PayPal. This is where you put in your PayPal credentials. Okay, so let's go back. This is bank transfer. You can put in your bank transfer details here. So once you are done, you put in production. Click on production and click on save. Okay, let's go back. Now this is pay later, buy now pay later option. So if you are registered with pay later, you can put in your the credentials here too. Now this is Stripe payments. This is wallet balance. This is files. So you put in the right credentials for this, then you save. Now these are currencies. You can add new currency here. So I'll be adding another new currency, which is Naira. You click on add. Sorry, let me go back. I think that was a bit too fast. Now if you want to add new currencies or edit like this, there are 4 currencies here. The euro, this is South African rand, then this is pound, this is USD. Now this USD is default, and that default, this is the current the general site-wide currency. So if you want to add another currency, let me add, click on add, then click this to enable it, then you give it a tree name. So I'm giving it NGN, then you choose the currency. Which country has this currency? Nigeria. Then the rates, I'm going to put 16, and I'm going to save. Okay, you can see, then I can change this to default, make it the default currency on the entire site, but I'll take it back to USD. That is it. Then the next setting is email settings. These are your you need to sign up with SMTP-G2 to get your API keys. Then once you sign up and gotten your API keys, you put it here. Then the sender names, your site name, the sender email here, then you submit. Then you can also send a test email to any email address to make sure that your email is working properly. If there is an error, that means that the email configuration is not correct. But if you get a successful email sent, that means your email is in order. Now the next option is the location. This is where you add different locations. So you can add new location, you can edit. So it depends on the location and the countries you would want to cover. Now these are the languages. It has this language by default, so you can change the language. You can also add a new language by choosing the country of the country. where the language code, put in the language code, the name, and how do you want it to read, left to right or right to left. So then you save. Okay, now these are countries. You can also add countries in case there is a particular country that is missing here. You can manually add that country. Okay, I believe that all the countries should be here. Now these are the modules. This is hotel beds. Now if you want to enable hotel beds API on the site, you need to enable this. Okay, by default it's enabled. Then you click on settings, put in your hotel bed module API credentials here. This, make sure that you fill this correctly. Then which mode do you want it to be? It should be in production mode. You change it to production. Then the PNR type should be automatic. Just leave it as it is. Now the payment mode, is it merchant API or the affiliate API booking on the site? Okay, so the currency, you can change it, the color. So that is it. Then you submit. Now this is how you check all these and make sure that you enable them. Now this is for flight. This is for flights. You can enable this, then click on settings, put in the right credentials, then you save. Okay, so there are so many options here. If you want to enable the Kiwi flights, this is it. Click on settings, put in the right credentials. Then to get this API credentials, just go to this site, and you'll be able to see the options for the API. So you can sign up to get the API and you now put them here. Okay, now this is where you manage your users, all the users on the site. So you can manage, you can delete user, and delete as many users as you want. You can auto select. Okay, so that is it. You can also add new user here, manually add new user. Then the option is the admin option, so you don't need to go through this. Now this is the CMS, the pages, the about us, the contact us, the how it works, just as it is here at the footer of the website. The about us, cookie policy, frequently asked questions, the careers and job, contact us, and blah blah blah. You want to edit these pages now, like the about us. This is the content of the about us. So you want to edit this, then you click on CMS pages. Now for the about us here, this is about us. So you click on edit, this edit icon, then you can put in your own content here, then you save. So that is how you do for all the pages. You can also, the navigation menu, footer and header. Okay, the footer and header. Now let me show you the importance of this footer and header. Let's try to create another, add a new page. Now let me name it demo page, and it's active. Where do I want this to be? The header is here, up here, while the footer is below. Okay, so you can decide where you want this to be. Is it header, is it the footer? So once you've decided, you put in the content, then you submit. That's how you create new pages. Then for the blogs, I believe you know how to write blog posts. So you can write your blog posts, you can add new blog categories. Okay, if these ones that are here are not up to they don't suit you, or they don't align with what you want to write, you can always add new blog categories, give it a name, then you save. Okay, that is it. For newsletters, you want to capture leads, you can okay, this is where you get all the emails, all your leads. You can export them into CSV. You can also add new leads, manually add new leads, then you save. Now for the bookings, you don't have any bookings yet. This is where you get your bookings. All the bookings could be for hotel, for flights, for tour, for cars. So you can access all your bookings there. Then the transactions, these are the payments that has been made. Could be for booking, for tour, for car, or for flight. So then these are the flight options. Okay, you can add new flights here. The user, then you select the user and all that. So flight airports, so you can decide as many flight airports as possible. So these are different flight airports. You can add new one, then you save. Then flight airlines, you can add, save. So just go through all these and add them according to your need as you want them, so you can add. Then these are for tours too. This option for touring, so you can add. Then this is for cars. This is for cars. Okay, this is for cars. Okay, so that is it. Then the modules, let's check the modules for hotels. Let me enable this. Which other hotel modules we have here? Hotel settings. Okay, so this is it. We've enabled, if you watched carefully before, okay, let me disable this. You could notice that there wasn't any hotel option here, so but we enabled this, and let's reload. So you see, as I disabled this, the hotel option has gone off. Now you enable this, so you reload. The hotel option is here, so you can add the hotels. These are the hotels. Then these are the hotel suggestions. So you can add, say, want number, sorry, the city. Okay, it's loading. It was loading, so you can decide to add which hotel, which city. Check Lagos. Let me put it 2. Let's save. Okay, so that is it. Then the hotel settings. Okay, these are the settings. Then let me check the hotels. Click on add. Okay, so you can decide a feature for each hotel. So it also has a map integration for this. This is it. So this is how you manage this. So if you have any question, this is the dashboard, and the settings. You can edit the settings, the admin settings, and all that. So once you get any alerts, it will display here, so you can view all your alerts here. So that is it. So this is it. This is how you set this up and customize it to your own taste, to your needs. So if you have any question, you can. These are the hotels. Okay, we've not even gone through the home page. Let's go through this. Okay, after search, this is not available at the moment. Let's check the hotels. Okay, these are the available hotels. Search by city. Lagos, Nigeria. Search. Okay. So these are the hotels. Can book hotels here if you want. Then people can book and make payment. Then this is for tours. So this is it. So this is for cars. So this is for cars. Okay. So this is how you set this up. If you have any questions, feel free to message me inbox. Message me on WhatsApp if you need the script. The link is there. Follow the link, download this script, and follow these video guides to install and customize it. If you have any question, you can always reach me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys. Thank you.